Good afternoon, children. Today I will discuss physical properties of haloalkene and haloarenes. The first one is physical state and smell. All the haloalkene and haloarene are colorless when they are pure. They are sweet smelling liquid, but bromide and iodide they develop color when they are exposed to light. There are compounds like methyl chloride, methyl bromide. They develop a particular smell when they are exposed to light. The next important point is that of a solubility. It is a very important part of the haloalkene and haloarenes. Haloalkenes are polar in nature. Polar in nature. Water is also polar in nature. So that means the haloalkanes should be completely soluble in water. But haloalkanes are very slightly soluble in water. Actually, what happens when haloalkanes are dissolved in water, the less energy is released, which is not sufficient to overcome the attraction between that of a haloalkane molecules. Neither that energy is able to break the hydrogen bond between water molecules. Now, when the new attractions are set up, this haloalkane do not make hydrogen bond with that of a water. In this case, the more energy is required to break the attraction of haloalkanes and more energy is required to break the hydrogen bond of that of a water molecules. But in this case, the less energy is released. Haloalkane do not make hydrogen bond with water, so the result is the new attractions which are set up, they are very much weaker than the attractions which are already present. So that is why the haloalkanes are very slightly soluble in water. Haloalkanes are soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, carbon tetrachloride. These are very much soluble in those solvents. In these solvents, when the haloalkanes are dissolved, these haloalkanes are having their intermolecular forces of the same strength as the intermolecular forces are present in that of a haloalkanes. So the result is sufficient amount of energy is released and the haloalkanes, they are soluble in water. The next physical property is the density. Fluoroalkane, chloroalkane, these are lighter than water. These are lighter than water. Whereas bromoalkane and polychloroalkanes, they are heavier than water. The next property is melting and boiling points. The haloalkane are having higher melting point and that of a higher boiling point. The forces of attraction are van der Waals forces and dipole-dipole interaction. These are polar in nature. So, because of the very strong intermolecular forces of attraction, these are having high melting and boiling point. Now I will discuss some of the properties which are based on that of a melting and boiling point, and I will tell you about the trend of melting and that of a boiling points.